How to make a pretty fancy bead, like this one?
These are the stuffs that we will use.
First of all, we use pearl stickers with diamonds around the moon beads. Now we have a super beautiful moon bead. Now let's decorate our beautiful moon beads together. We will use glue guns all the way. The first is the beautiful butterfly wings. Now you will get a beautiful moon butterfly bead. Next, we will use metal butterfly wing accessory with pearls. Our old friend's glue gun appeared again. Now let's use the metal tassel chain to make our moon more beautiful. While we let the moon become more and more fabulous one, we can also use a bow to make it more playful. Do you think there is something missing here? We can post a shiny heart creme here. Now let's put some flower and butterfly charms. Next, we can put the small crown above our moon beads. Fancy beads. Do you feel that the pen stick is too short every time? Do you feel distressed that you want to put more beautiful beads? Now let's change into the longer pen stick. Our beautiful things come here.